200-ton crane. Liebherr crane's taken me about a year to build. It's not quite finished yet. Still short its hook, but most of the mechanisms are in place. It has powered outriggers. All 4 outriggers are powered at the same time using cords. It has powered slewing gear. I'm just going to demonstrate there. There's a motor drive underneath there, which is driving into a series of bevel gears, which then goes onto this chain drive. I had problems with the chain because I was trying to run it horizontally, not vertically. So I used a couple of plastic idlers there to take up the tension in that. That runs for a 57 gear. It's another small pinion, and it drives a big ring gear or double ring gear underneath the slewing turntable. Turntable is typical Burt Love design with the roller bearings. Plates top and bottom. The luffing gear is a simulated hydraulic ram. The real crane is a 200-ton crane. It only has one very, very large ram. The scale's right. What we use basically is a 3/4 inch towel rail, chrome towel rail, and a 3/4 inch hydraulic dowsing washer. And then to drive it up, we use an M6 threaded rod coming up from the bottom, driven by a contract gear and pinions. And inside this assembly there's an MO motor, a universal joint and a bevel drive. Lots of fun and games getting that right. For the extension, we use a small motor back here, driving a contract drive. A couple of wires will actually lift and extend the full piece out there. I soon realised that it was going to be too heavy to have 3 extensions. The 2 would only be enough that it could handle, basically. So it's quite smooth. I just use a series of rollers, top and bottom, to act as a journal for it to ride up and down on. The real crane has a tilting cab. All I did there was a very, very simple mechanism. It's just a 2-inch rod and then just a wheel basically on journal through a trunnion. So to put it down, it's not powered. I just lift that up, take the load off, and just move it down like that. So that would be the normal driving position, if you like, and then that's the up position. And on the prototype, that would be fully hydraulic, controlled by the driver, of course. The modern health and safety rules as they are, everything has to have handrails. So if the operator goes up there, there's his hand railing. There. I'll just slew the crane and open up the doors and you can see the outrigger mechanism. It's a large rod which runs to the back of the crane so that all 4 are powered simultaneously using cords which push and pull depending which direction you want to go. It's a 5-axle design, as is the prototype. 4 of the wheels can actually steer, the centre one doesn't. Although on the prototype, all 5 of them can actually steer, so the whole crane can crab to the side, or it can turn very, very tightly. I wanted to model the suspension on this crane more than anything, so I bought a series of compression springs, and each wheel is fully active independent suspension.